Okay, so I've had a bunch of people asking me to put this video up of my 2018 Ram 2500. I got it tuned and deleted by Exploit Diesel up in Ball Ground, Georgia. And so yeah, I got the full 4-inch exhaust from the turbo back, EGR delete, def delete. I got the we went with EZ Lynk this time rather than EFI Live like we did on my 17. So and I'm actually having some issues with the EZ Lynk. So what it's doing on the Auto Agent app, all the tunes that it's given me are for 2013 to 2017 Rams rather than the 2013 to 2018 like it's advertised on the box. And with that, I've lost all of my heated and cooled seats, heated wheel, and on all that. The cameras and everything else so far that I've noticed still works, but yeah, no heated or cooled seats, and that's kind of annoying because it's like 90 degrees out. So yeah, show you the truck. These are actually the wheels and tires. They are hostile wheels and some 35 ridge grapplers that I took right off of my 2017 and put on here. I got it in crystal metallic because that's the color that I originally wanted. It's got the cab lights. This one has the Ram boxes, which I love. It's got the fifth wheel, all the shit that they took out of, took off the truck. It's also got a second camera up there. So I'm really loving this. I like it a lot more than my other one. But yeah, so here's the truck at idle. I'm going to grab something to prop this phone up and give it a little bit of throttle. So yeah, there it is. Exploit Diesel out in Ball Ground, Georgia. They're the ones that did the tune and delete and everything. I need to get with them, see what's up with the EZ Lynk. They were supposed to do an update that would, I guess, allow me to use all my features that are missing. But and look, here's the box right here where it says, oh, 2010 to 2018, I'm sorry. But yeah, on the actual tunes, it doesn't say anything about 2018 at all. So if anybody knows, feel free to contact me on my page or on my channel, whatever, on the video, and let me know. All right, I appreciate it. See you.